I was the calm in your storm, the silent.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Absolutely Focused Radio Podcast, where every word is a step forward and every episode is a breakthrough. I'm your host, Daniel Nelson, your sobriety buddy and your guide on this powerful journey. And today's episode, it's all about a theme that's been sitting heavy on my heart lately. New change, new range. Let's keep it a buck. Change is uncomfortable. Change is scary. But change is necessary. And here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. Every time you choose change, you expand your range. You step out of that limited space, out of that tight mindset, out of that same cycle, and suddenly your world opens up. You see things differently. You love yourself a little more. You dream bigger. You move bolder. Why? Because new change brings new range. I remember a time when I was stuck. Same habits, same people, same results. And I'd tell myself, it's not that bad. But deep down, I knew I was living on mute. Then one day, I made a change. A small one. I said no to the old me. I drank water instead of gin. I wrote down one goal instead of ignoring them all. That change, it unlocked something in me. A range of power I didn't know I had. And I'm here to tell you, you've got that same power. You're not just breaking cycles, you're building a whole new rhythm. So here's your reminder today. You are not stuck. You are not finished. You are not broken. You are changing. And with change comes range. Emotional range, mental range, spiritual range, creative range. Your future has room to breathe now. You've cleared the clutter. You've opened the doors. You're ready to rise. So here's what I want you to do after this episode. Write this down. Say it out loud. Tattoo it on your heart if you have to. With every new change, I unlock a new range. I am expanding. I am rising. I am ready. Because when you believe that, you'll stop running from change and start reaching for it. Thank you for tuning in to Absolutely Focused Radio Podcast. Remember, I'm Daniel Nelson, your sobriety buddy, always in your corner. And if this episode spoke to your soul, share it with someone you love. Text it, post it, spread that growth. Until next time, stay real, stay bold, stay absolutely focused. And as always, new change, new range, let's grow.